Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Caterpillar toy is probably one of the most sought-after toys for toddlers and preschoolers, offering a delightful blend of fun, learning, and imaginative play. Its vibrant colors, soft textures, and engaging design stimulate a child's sensory development, while the various ways to interact with it, pulling, pushing, stacking, and sorting, promote fine motor skills, problem-solving abilities, and hand-eye coordination. From classic pull-along caterpillars to more complex stacking and sorting toys, there's a perfect Caterpillar toy to match every child's developmental stage and play preferences, making it a timeless and cherished addition to any toy collection. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Rainbow Caterpillar. It's a fun and educational toy for toddlers and babies. Watch as your little one turns the gears and makes the caterpillar crawl. It has 6 bright, colorful gears that are easy for little hands to grasp and turn. They're interchangeable, so the fun never ends. Turn one gear and watch as it moves the next in a mesmerizing chain reaction. It's a great way to learn about cause and effect. It's made from sturdy wood with colorful pegs and a smiling caterpillar face. It's built to withstand lots of playtime fun. This toy promotes color recognition, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor skills. It's perfect for screen-free play. It makes a wonderful gift for toddlers and preschoolers aged 18 months to 3 years. Give the gift of learning and fun. What we like. It has 6 bright colored gears that are interchangeable. This toy is great for toddlers and preschoolers to develop their fine motor skills and color recognition. If you are looking for a screen-free activity to promote early learning, this is the perfect choice for your little one. What people say. She could turn and remove the gears easily. It kept her interest for a few minutes, which is about what I expected. Fast forward 8mo and she is still fascinated by it. It's fun to play with, very well made, the colors are bold and eye-catching, and best of all, there is much to be learned from this little toy. The beautiful bright colors got their attention and my 4-year-old found it funny that it was a caterpillar. My 17-month-old loved rotating the gears. I love the cause and effect relationship that this toy teaches and how the kids can manipulate the gears to put them in different orders. This toy is great for colors, gears that move. My grandson is one and obsessed with wheels that turn. This toy hits the mark and so much more. Number 4. National Geographic Butterfly Kit. Watch the magic of metamorphosis unfold. Build your own habitat and decorate the feeder to welcome your new guests. It's an exciting journey for the whole family. Your kit includes a voucher to redeem 5 caterpillars. Get ready to witness their incredible transformation. Additional fee and mainland USA shipping apply. Observe the caterpillars as they grow and form their chrysalises. Soon, beautiful painted lady butterflies will emerge, a sight to behold. This kit is more than just an observation, it's a learning experience. The full color guide teaches you all about the butterfly life cycle. A poster helps you track your caterpillar's progress. We are committed to providing high-quality, engaging science toys. If you have any issues, our exceptional customer service team is here to help. What we like. Watch the magic of metamorphosis unfold with this kit. It includes everything you need to raise caterpillars into butterflies, making it an educational and engaging experience. If you want to teach your child about the life cycle of butterflies, this is a must-have. What people say. Comes with everything you need to watch it grow to a butterfly. This kit comes with everything needed: a good-sized net, cute decorative feeding dish, sponge to soak the sugar water in for the butterflies, and a cool poster that shows the whole process. You get a coupon for free butterflies shipped to you, free shipping, and my son used the net for other bugs later on. Number 3. Buckle Toys Bentley Caterpillar. It's the perfect toy to help your child learn colors, numbers, and counting. This quiet toy is great for boys and girls 12 months and older, featuring easy buckles, a zipper, and numbers to aid in early development. Using the Montessori method, it helps toddlers develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and problem-solving abilities. It's a fun and engaging way to learn. Keep your children entertained with this screen-free, playful, and vibrant plush toy. It's easy to take anywhere and can be clipped to a stroller, high chair, or car seat. It's a happy, pillow-like toy that's perfect for keeping curious kids busy while traveling. This caterpillar is a road trip essential. This is one of our original, high-quality educational toddler toys. We're a trusted US-based brand offering unique sensory toys and more. What we like. This caterpillar toy is more than just a plush, it's a learning tool. It features multiple buckles, a zipper, and numbers to enhance fine motor skills and early learning. If you're looking for an engaging travel toy to keep your toddler busy on the go, this is it. What people say. The toy was well made and very cuddly. This adorable and brightly colored caterpillar is such a fun toy for my 20-month-old who loves doing buckles. She is able to buckle all 3 types of buckles, but is unable to undo the buckles at this point. I love how portable this toy is so that I can help unbuckle anywhere. It provides a fun way to learn colors and numbers, and it even has a little zipper. The buckles are very well made and vary in degrees of difficulty. There are also numbers on each of the little feet, and each foot is a different color, so this can facilitate a lot of educational conversation about the toy. Very soft and cuddly and interesting to look at. Number 2. Sumind Stretchy Fidget Toys. These aren't your average fidget toys. They're bright, colorful, and glow in the dark, providing a fun and engaging sensory experience. With their spiky texture and vibrant colors, they're perfect for stimulating tactile sensitivity and improving hand-eye coordination. They're also great for color identification. Made from safe, non-toxic TPR rubber, these toys are waterproof, durable, and easy to clean. Just wipe them down or give them a quick wash. Each toy is lightweight and stretches to an impressive length, making them perfect for taking anywhere. They're great for keeping calm during travel or downtime. These fidget toys are a fun and effective way to relieve stress and anxiety. They can help reduce unwanted habits like hair pulling or nail biting. Whether you're looking for a sensory tool, an anxiety reliever, or just a fun toy, these are a great choice for kids and adults alike. What we like. These sensory fidget toys are not only fun to play with, but they also glow in the dark. Their stretchy texture provides tactile stimulation, helping to calm and relax children. If your child needs a calming sensory toy, this is a great option. What people say. Great for throwing around and wiggly in your hands. They look silly and come in fun colors. These have a great stretch to them. They are soft to the touch, vibrant colors. Number 1. CARLE'S Caterpillar Bean Bag. He's soft, cuddly, and ready for adventure. Based on the classic story, this beanbag toy is perfect for snuggles. This adorable caterpillar is inspired by the beloved book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. It's a huggable piece of childhood magic. Take it with you wherever you go. It's the perfect size for little hands and big adventures. It's a wonderful addition to any collection of CARLE'S books and toys. A gift that will be treasured for years to come. Made with soft, squishy material and uniquely colored, it's irresistible to cuddle. Perfect for playtime or bedtime. Relive the magic of the story with this charming beanbag friend. It's more than just a toy, it's a companion. What we like. This cuddly caterpillar is inspired by the classic tale, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. It's soft, huggable, and perfect for snuggling. If you're looking for a soft and comforting toy based on a beloved children's book, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a small, soft replica of the Very Hungry Caterpillar, excellent for little hands. It's sturdy, so it holds its shape as if it's inching along. It's perfect to add to the Very Hungry Caterpillar book to build a gift set. This is a soft but firm little toy and will be very easy for a small child to hold on to while being read the book. The wrap is of beautiful colors, well processed and feels good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.